National Gallery of Modern Art, Mumbai, Ministry of Culture, Government of India is delighted to present two spectacular exhibitions, Chitra Kavyam Ramayanam and Shakti, Fair and Fierce. A very warm welcome to all our esteemed guests today, especially our chief guest and also Director General, National Gallery of Modern Art, Dr. Sanjeev Kishore Gautam, our guest of honor, Mr. Martin Gurvik, founder and director, Museum of Sacred Arts, Belgium, curator of Shakti exhibition, Mrs. Susma Behel, director, National Gallery of Modern Art, Mumbai, Sri Umesh Kumar Rastogi ji, I, Shruti Das, Deputy Curator, NGMA Mumbai, would like to take this opportunity to invite our chief guest today, DG Sir, Director, and guest of honor, Mr. Martin Gurvik, Susma ji, Mrs. Daksha ji to come on stage, and also to Brinda Miller and Seema Kohli to participate in the lighting of the lamp ceremony. So we will do the inauguration.
एक बार उनको बोल देना फोटो
invite the artists to join in the series.
स्टेज पे जाओ
If you all can hold the diya together, all of you. Stop. Just hold the diya together.
Yes, please. Look at the camera over here. Wait, one more picture. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks to all our esteemed guests today. I would like to request the guests to take their respective seats on the dais. Now, I would like to request Director NGMA Mumbai to felicitate our guests today by presenting a shawl and a planter to our esteemed guests.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request Director Sir to felicitate founder and director, Mr. Martin, with a shawl and a planter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I would request again Director Sir to felicitate Shushma ji with a planter and a shawl. I would request Director Sir also to felicitate Brinda Miller ji with a shawl and a planter. Thank you, sir. I will again request Seema Kohli ji to come on the dais and sir to felicitate her. Artist Seema Kohli ji. We are very blessed today to have so many eminent artists with us. Thank you, sir. I would request Director Sir to also to felicitate Vilas Sinde ji, our ex-chairperson, who is in the crowd and who has come here from such a long distance to support us with his presence during the opening. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I would request our director for the welcome address.
Honorable Chief Guest, Director General Dr. Sanjeev Kishore Gautam ji, Guest of Honor Mr. Martin Gourvich, Founder Director, Museum of Sacred Arts, Belgium, Curator of Shakti Exhibition, Shushma Banerjee, my colleague Shruti, and all distinguished guests and invitees present here. Good evening and a very warm welcome to this very special occasion for NGMA Mumbai in hosting two exhibitions on the same day. And that's, you can see here, Shakti, Fair and Fierce, and Ramayana, Chitra Kavya. I will not say much on these because we'll listen directly, directly from the horse mouth, because we have both the curators and people who are involved indirectly, so I will not say anything. One thing I would like to say, we have got very less time. And I think Ramayana we erected maybe in 4 days only, we got. So, but the team deserves a big round of applause because they have really worked very hard to put this together in a very short span of time. I think many of you are aware that we recently had one exhibition on Rumale's Varn Maitri, which was concluded on 30th of April with huge number of visitors who have visited. And after that even we had 1.5 months, not even 1.5, almost 1 month in hand, and we erected these two. Means there are a lot of things, those, because you are all art lovers, so I'm sure you know what kind of work it goes on when you start right from the scratch. I mean, the painting, the material coming, loading, unloading, and lot many things. So they have really worked hard. Though I may not have that much contribution except providing the logistic support, but the team really deserves. So I'm thankful to the entire team because later on I may not be getting opportunity. Welcoming you all once again because we are slightly behind the schedule and we would like to listen and visit the exhibition as well. So welcoming you all once again to this great evening in the NGMA, particularly NGMA Mumbai. So thank you, and I will request Shruti ji to take the program further forward.
Thank you, sir. It was really a very warm welcome, and I thank you for all the support in all the endeavors and in putting up both the shows. We are grateful to you, sir, for all the guidance. I would like to request our Director General to address us and give us insights about the making of both Ramayana and Shakti exhibition. Sir, बैठ के भी बोल सकते हैं.
It's a really very beautiful evening today with lot of the strength, the good people, not only from Maharashtra, it's from entire country or more than country. Mr. Martin with us, हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथि के रूप में मिस्टर मार्टिन हमारे साथ हैं. मैं पहले एनजीए में डीजी होने के नाते आप सबका हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं. आज का शुभ अवसर मैं मानता हूं कि मेरे लिए भी विशेष है. मेरा यह दूसरा और मे भी तीसरा कुछ अलग काम को लेके और तीसरा प्योर इस गैलरी को लेके, इस संस्था को लेके और विशेष करके आज के शाम आप सबके लिए मेरा आना हुआ है. मैं मानता हूं कि मेरा सौभाग्य है महानिदेशक एनजीए में होने के नाते. आज का जो शाम है वो विशेष इसलिए भी है कि सिर्फ दो प्रदर्शनी नहीं है, सिर्फ चित्रों मूर्ति शिल्पों का प्रदर्शन नहीं है. भारत का विचार, जिस विचार से हम सब खुद को सरोकार रखते हैं, खुद को जानते हैं, समझते हैं, और वो सफ़र पहली सफ़र से लेके अंतिम सफ़र तक जो हमारे भारतीय संस्कार के निमित्त रहा है और आने वाले समय में निरंतर काल तक विश्व स्तर पे भारत अपनी पहचान, अपनी सांस्कृतिक पहचान को संजोए हुए विश्व पटल पर अपनी पहचान को न सिर्फ लोगों तक ले जाना बल्कि प्रमुखता से अपने विचारों को उन तक पहुंचाना और साथ ही लीड करना. मैं कह सकता हूं कि आज का जो शाम है, आज की जो ये प्रदर्शनी है, वो इसलिए भी विशेष है क्योंकि दो विभिन्न प्रकार के शक्तियों का मिलन है. सीता राम कहते हैं, राधा श्याम कहते हैं और शक्ति और शिव कहते हैं. आप समझ पा रहे होंगे कि इस प्रदर्शनी का उद्देश्य मात्र पुरुष प्रधान देश के होने के नाते ही नहीं बल्कि जननी जन्मभूमि को नमन करते हुए उस शक्ति को प्रणाम करने का प्रथम प्रयास है. और उस प्रथम प्रयास के जरिए नमन करना चाहता हूं मैं उन सारी मातृशक्ति को जिनके पास ईश्वर ने प्रदान किया है जनने की जो जिसकी शक्ति है, उस शक्ति को नमन करता हूं क्योंकि हम सबका अस्तित्व उस शक्ति से ही शुरुआत होता है और अंत भी उस शक्ति के ही गोद में जाके हम समाहित होते हैं. यह प्रदर्शनी मात्र एक वर्क को या किसी आर्ट वर्क को शोकेसिंग करने का विचार नहीं है बल्कि एक भारत के उन विचारों को आत्मसात करके विश्व स्तर पे हमारी महिला कलाकारों को उन शक्ति के स्ट्रेंथ को शोकेसिंग करने का एक जरिया है. बहुत रिसेंटली दिल्ली एनजीएमए में शक्ति और चित्रकाव्यम रामायण दोनों का प्रदर्शन किया गया संस्कृति मंत्रालय के तरफ से. यह मुझे लगता है कि पहला इनिशिएटिव हुआ होगा मेरे आने के बाद. कारण विशेष 500 वर्षों के बाद प्रभु श्री राम का अयोध्या में आगमन उस रूप में जिसके लिए पूरा देश 500 सालों का तपस्या के उपरांत वह दिन भी आया। पूरे विश्व ने उस चीज़ को देखा। और जहाँ से मैंने बोला कि माँ जननी सीता का जो उद्भव होता है, सीता का जो उद्भव है, गोस्वामी दास ने कहा है कि वो उनका उद्भव सिर्फ एक शक्ति के रूप में नहीं बल्कि विश्व को एक अलग दिशा प्रदान करने के लिए हुआ था। शक्ति इसलिए भी प्रमुख है, माँ जानकी का उद्भव जहाँ से होता है समागम भी वहीं पे होता है। पूरे भारत के परिकल्पना में रामायण सिर्फ एक स्टोरी नहीं है, एक कथा या एक ड्रामा नहीं है, या कोई कलाकार जब रामायण बनाता है तो सिर्फ एक चित्रों की रचना नहीं करता है बल्कि उन विचारों को आत्मसात करके चित्रण करता है। मैं सौभाग्यशाली मानता हूँ कि इस रामायण में नंदलाल सरीखे कलाकार से लेकर चारवी अग्रवाल तक जो मोस्ट यंग आर्टिस्ट है, उसके बीच में भारत की पूरी कला संस्कृति की जो परंपरा है, अनेक अनेक कलाकार और अनेक माध्यमों में, सिर्फ चित्र नहीं, चित्र भी है, शिल्प भी है, प्रिंट मेकिंग भी है, इंस्टॉलेशन भी है, डिजिटल आर्ट भी है। पूरे विजुअल आर्ट का जो समावेश है उसको हम कर पाते हैं और शक्ति में भी उसी चीज़ का नए रूप में आगमन होता है। शक्ति से स्ट्रेंथ मिलता है और राम का पूरा जन्म से लेके अंत समय तक आप देखेंगे तो शक्ति की प्रमुखता हर समय आपको दिखाई देगी। रामायण काल में, महाभारत काल में, दोनों ही कालों में मात्र शक्ति की प्रमुखता ही नहीं बल्कि वो पूरा एक जो नरेशन है उसको कैरी करने का काम करता है। चाहे वो माँ जानकी हो, महाभारत में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग आए हैं, द्रौपदी है, बहुत सारे ऐसे कैरेक्टर हैं जिन्होंने बताया है कि अगर वो नहीं होती तो शायद ये न रामायण होता न महाभारत होता। इसलिए मैं कह सकता हूँ कि आज दोनों का जो समावेश है, दोनों ही प्रदर्शनी का जो समावेश है वो हमारे भारतीय कला संस्कृति को एक नए दिशा प्रदान करने की ओर अग्रसर करेगा, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ। मॉडर्न आर्टिस्ट हूँ मैं, मॉडर्न आर्ट को कैरी करता हूँ। नेशनल गैलरी ऑफ मॉडर्न आर्ट हम सब जानते हैं कि किस कलाकर्म को किस रूप में प्रदर्शित करता है, न सिर्फ अपने देश में बल्कि विश्व स्तर पे। लेकिन ये एक सौभाग्य है, एक समय है, परिवर्तन मुख्य रूप से किसी भी कार्य का एक नया सूत्रपात माना जाता है। मुझे ये सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है कि मैं एनजीएमए के मैंडेटरी से हट के कुछ कर पाने के लिए उत्साहित हूँ और उस उत्साह को संवर्धित करने के लिए आप जैसे सुधी जनों का आगमन यहाँ हुआ है। बड़ा शुभ अवसर है कि हिंदुस्तान से लेके और बेल्जियम तक हमारे बीच मिस्टर मार्टिन है और आप जैसा देख पा रहे होंगे, उन्होंने आते ही कमेंट्स भी मुझे किया कि आई एम लुक लाइक मोर हिंदू। सो ये एक्चुअली मार्टिन सिर्फ लुक लाइक हिंदू नहीं है, ही इज अ हिंदू, प्योर हिंदू। हमसे और आपसे शायद ज़्यादा हिंदुज़म को जानते हैं, मानते हैं और पहचानते हैं और अपने कर्मों में भी उसको आत्मसात करते हैं। और शायद शक्ति इसलिए ही दिल्ली से मुंबई और मुंबई से फिर बेल्जियम और बेल्जियम के अलावा और विश्व के अलग अलग बेहतरीन गैलरी में बेहतरीन लोगों के बीच उसका शोकेसिंग होना है। मैं कह सकता हूँ कि रामायणम चित्रकाव्यम कविता का एक चित्रों के जरिए समझना। रामायण सिर्फ वाल्मीकि जी या तुलसीदास का एक स्टोरी नहीं है, एक नॉवल नहीं है। समाज के लिए आज के संदर्भ में और आने वाले शायद हजारों हजार साल के संदर्भ में उतना ही प्रासंगिक रहने वाला है, रहा है, रहेगा और अंत समय तक भी उसका प्रासंगिकता बढ़ता ही जाना है। हम सब जानते हैं कि आज समाज में जो विभिन्न प्रकार की कुरीतियाँ हम सबको, आने वाले जनरेशन को किस प्रकार से प्रभावित करते आ रही है। रामायणम या राम की जो कथा है वो हमें बताता है कि समाज में उन कुरीतियों से किस प्रकार से लड़ना है। राम के पूरे जीवन चरित्र को आप देखेंगे तो हमेशा ही उन्होंने उन कुरीतियों के ऊपर अपना विशेष रूप से एकाधिकार करके उसका दमन किया है, चाहे उस सवरी के जूठे बैर खाए हो या फिर मलाह को गले लगाकर उनको मित्रवत व्यवहार उनके साथ हुआ हो। आज समाज में विशेष करके हम जिस समाज में रह रहे हैं, जी रहे हैं, क्रियाकर्म कर रहे हैं, उसमें प्रमुखता से जो विकृतियां आई हैं वो मुख्य रूप से यही है। मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले जनरेशन को दोनों ही प्रदर्शनी एक नई दिशा प्रदान करेगा और उन्हें फिर से भारत के मूल में आके सोचने का कुछ एक अवसर मिलेगा। आने वाले जीवन को और बेहतर कर पाएंगे। इसलिए ये दोनों प्रदर्शनियों का सार और इस सार से निकले हुए उद्देश्य और सरोकार सफलता की ओर अग्रसर होगा। आप सब यहाँ पधारे, मुझे आपसे कुछ कहने का अवसर प्रदान दिया और मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले समय में अगले 2 महीनों तक में इस प्रदर्शनी का अवलोकन आप और आपके विभिन्न प्रकार के विद्वानों द्वारा किया जाएगा, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ। और आने वाले समय में हम सब के लिए शुभ अति शुभ होगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, sir, for your informative address and sharing your experience with us. I would like to request our guest of honor, Mr. Martin Gurvik, founder and director of Museum of Sacred Arts, Belgium, to share his memory and inputs regarding the Sakti Fair and Fierce exhibition and his collection.
Namaste. It is a great honor for Mosa and myself to be present in this very prestigious museum, the National Gallery of Modern Art in Mumbai, one of the most important cities of India. And I would like to first of all thank Minister of State Meenakshi Lekhi, who supported this exhibit from the very beginning when we met with her. And I also would like to thank the DG of NGMA, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Gautam, for his support. I also would like to thank the director of the NGMA in Mumbai, Umesh Kumar Rustagi. I also want to thank Shushma Kebal, who is our advisor and our friend, and who's the curator of the show, and who's been working very tirelessly and with a lot of determination to make sure that Shakti would be presented to all of you here in Mumbai and in Delhi as well. I also would like to thank Archana Sapra, who behind the scenes has worked very much to help coordinate many aspects of the show from much before the exhibit in Delhi. I also want to thank Sujata Prasad, who contributed a text for the catalog and who encouraged us to include women embroiderers in the exhibit alongside her contemporary colleagues. I also want to thank the NGMA curator from Delhi, Meghna Vyas Arora, who worked very hard to make the show in Delhi possible and to bring it towards Mumbai, and Deputy Director Shruti Das, who put a lot of work to make sure that the show is presented in the best way possible in a very short period of time. It looks beautiful from what I've seen until now. I also want to thank the sponsors. We had several sponsors who helped us with many aspects of the exhibit. And especially I want to thank the artists, those who live in Mumbai, but also those who came from other parts of India to be part of the exhibit here. And after a very successful debut in Delhi, we hope the residents, the media, as well as the artists of Mumbai also appreciate this show and come and visit it when the 2 months of exhibiting are here. So basically, Shakti, Fair and Fierce, strives to empower women by showing how there is so much feminine talent in India. The creative energy is not foreign to women in general, but also to in the visual arts. They contribute tremendously to India's creative industry, as it is called. Shakti also strives to tear down the barriers between the labels of contemporary and traditional art, or what we call sometimes high art and low art. We don't like barriers or boxes. We wanted also to show a wide variety of styles, mediums, sizes, etc., to showcase that women, no matter what type of art or medium they use, are contributing tremendously to India's rich cultural variety. The whole world now is paying a lot of attention to India because of the economic growth that it is sustaining, and it is a tremendous contribution to the world's economy. But there are other ways in which India has always contributed to the world. One of them is in spirituality. We know very much yoga, meditation, bhakti, kirtan, ayurveda, vegetarianism, philosophy have gone all over the world in the last decades. And culturally, with stunning visual arts, performances, music, dance, theater, cinema, Bollywood, and literature. India is also contributing in another way, important way, which is by holding the largest democratic exercise in the world, which you just recently all had here in India. And it thus shows an amazing example of democracy. And I dare say that in the last election, the uncontested winner of the recent elections in India is democracy itself. And what is Belgium famous for? Yes, so I brought you some souvenirs from Belgium. We have a lot of chocolates to give out to everybody. And I also would like to say that we just opened in Belgium an exhibit on Ramayana called Illuminations from the Ramayana. It's a beautiful show with 350 watercolors on Ramayana, so we would like to offer the catalog to our Director General. Thank you very much, and please enjoy the show and the chocolates.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your experience as the director and collector of this valuable collection of Shakti exhibition with the audience. Now it's time to invite our senior curator, Mrs. Susma Bahalji, to share her curatorial experience and journey with us.
Namaskar. It's a great advantage to be the last speaker because much of what has to be said has already been said so beautifully by so many people that I can just cut it very short and just tell you a little bit about Shakti exhibition. It's great that the two exhibitions, Ramayana and Shakti, are together. And Shakti is an exhibition of over 100 works by 55 women artists from around India. And as you go around, you will see that there are paintings, sculptures, installations, videos, digital works, photographs, name it, and it's there. And embroideries. As Martin said, the idea is to dismantle the barriers between high art and low art, between paintings and sculptures, between heritage arts and contemporary art. All work in the exhibition is by living artists. So it's all contemporary. Nothing is traditional. Even the embroideries, even if they follow the traditions and the practices of the earlier generations, they are running in a continuum. And I would like to introduce you. You met our two participating artists, Brinda Miller and Seema Kohli, but we are very fortunate to have three others here, and may I request them to please stand up. Richa Navani. Thank you, Richa. You will see her work there. Sadia Kocher, the photographer, whose work you will see there. And we also have Kirti Puja. Where is Kirti? There she is, sitting there. Thank you so much. It's been a great pleasure working on this exhibition. We started working on it over several years ago, but then second phase of pandemic happened. Then the international venues dried up because funds dried up. But fortunately, it's come again, and thank you to Dr. DG of the National Gallery of Modern Art, who brought it up again, and we all got enthused, and now Martin is going to take it to Belgium after India and to Uruguay, one hopes, at least these two countries. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Susma ji. And it was quite exciting and interesting to hear you. And it was really a very wonderful journey as being a part of curatorial team of both Ramayana and Sakti exhibition. And it was quite challenging also. Like we just got a time of a week, I think. And both exhibition, they were quite huge. So, and either like, it was like having a team who will be behind you and also the guidance getting from your seniors. So I would like to thank my Director General who was always there, like whether Shruti something is happening or not, it's moving or not, I'm there with you. So, and also to my director, Umesh sir, who was always there, like whenever I used to get tired or something, like, how it will happen. So he used to say, no, you just keep a smile, it will happen. So you just don't bother about, and it will be on time. So it was just a time crunch. And I would also like to thank her, Dean JJ School of Art, Sablesher. Like he was the first person when I said, like, I don't have a proper team who will be by my side day and night to support in all my endeavors and to finish it up to the time. And he just, whenever I need him, he is there. So just, I would like to thank all the team of students from JJ School of Art who are there and who were there for us during all these days. They were there for installation, stitching the puppets. There's so much, beautiful journey we shared together. And especially in the case of Ramayana exhibition, which has been earlier exhibited at NGMA New Delhi, and how DG sir also shared, like it has been like a momentous occasion for all of us, like Honorable Minister of State for External Affair Minister, State for Culture, Government of India, Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi ji, alongside the esteemed Minister of Water Supply and State Infrastructure Development, Government of Sri Lanka, Mr. Jeevan Thondaman, and Director General NGMA, who witnessed this occasion, and the exhibition was inaugurated in their presence. The inauguration marked a milestone in the cultural exchange and artistic expression of India and Sri Lanka, and also Belgium also with the Shakti exhibition. So it's like, so many cultures coming together and speaking about Indian culture. So I'm very proud to be an Indian on this occasion. And especially like the Chitra Kavyam Ramayanam exhibition, which features a rich tapestry of artistic interpretation of the epic Ramayana, collaborating with numerous organizations and private collectors. Like I would also like to thank all the organizations, artists, donators, who helped us in putting up this mega show, and especially like the collection which is here, like where one can find artworks from the ancient Indian folk tradition. Especially, I would like to share my, I'm from Mithila region, so Sita is very close to my heart. And I know the language also, Maithili. And I have also been to the place where she was born. So this exhibition is very close to my heart. And like here it's like a union, like Indian folk tradition, modern and contemporary, all coming together. We have started from the collection of miniature printmaking, and also our permanent collection of NGMA artworks, which is related to the Ramayana theme, and collaborating with the numerous organizations like IGNCA, Delhi Art Gallery, Uttarayan Foundation, And also I would like to especially thank India Post, and who, when in a very short time, in just 2 days or 1 day, they came with all their 300 stamps, like generously they supported with things like we should go with the exhibition. So it's just like a blessing for all of us to put up this show. And it's like we are having collection, having an array of mediums, including paintings, textiles, sculptures, shadow puppets, and very immersive installation which you will enjoy. The exhibition spans various artistic traditions from the Bengal School of Contemporary Styles, showcasing works of eminent artists such as Nandlal Bose and Upendra Maharati, Shakti Barman, to the contemporary times, Bivor Shogani, Charuvi Agrawal, Neeraj Gupta, and many more, which you will find yourself, I think, when you will go through the exhibition. The highlight points of the exhibition is the marvelous, archival collection of miniature and printmaking. And one of my favorite work, which is of the K.G. Subramaniam, speaking about, the phase of Sita when she was in Asok Vatika, and also the collection of Madhubani painting done by Bachu Devi. There are a few pieces of Kalamkari, and there is like more collection of stamps, puppets, masks, and specially designed ritualistic unique art piece of cover designed by Charuvi Agrawal. Like she is not with us, she is traveling, but her team, they have worked day and night to put up the installation at our gallery. And like the Shakti exhibition, which has been presented by NGMA in joint collaboration with the Museum of Sacred Art, Belgium, is a powerful showcase celebrating the energy and creativity of women in an art world that is mostly dominated by men. The attempt has been made by us to find the central point where both the concept of Ramayana and Shakti can mingle together, or they can unite and become a part of one single force. That is like complete experiencing the union of both the energy yin and yang, or Vishnu or Lakshmi, Shiva and Shakti. So it can be experienced by following the natural flow of the exhibition, which start from the ground floor and up to the third floor, where the exhibits of both the Ramayana and Shakti exhibition, they merge together and become a part of one single force. And from fourth floor onwards, it's the uppermost dome area. The Shakti exhibition continues with the masterpieces works created by both the modern and traditional women artists, like very famous, including like Arpana Kaur, Brinda Mila ji is with us, Jayashree Burman, Madhavi Parekh, Seema Kohli ji, Sujata Bajaj, and many more. Both these exhibitions will be a visual feast for the artists and art lovers of Mumbai, and I hope our attempt will be well appreciated by the audience of Mumbai. And on this occasion, we would like to release our small catalog, which is on Ramayana. So I would request our guest to do the book release.
Excuse me, come close, please. Look here, please, sir. Thank you.
Thank you to all the guests. And in putting up this shows, NGMA Mumbai is really indebted to the collaborators, volunteers, consultants, esteemed institutions for their generous and support and contribution towards this exhibition. We'd like to express our thanks to Sri G. Krishna Reddy, Union Minister for Culture, Tourism and Donor, Government of India. Mrs. Mugdha Sinha, Additional Joint Secretary, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Dr. Sanjeev Kishore Gautam, Director General, National Gallery of Modern Art. Sri Umesh Kumar Rastogi, Director, NGMA Mumbai. Mr. Martin Gurvik, Founder and Director, Museum of Sacred Arts. Mrs. Jyoti Tokas, Curator and Head of Office, NGMA New Delhi. Meghna Vyas, Curator in charge of Art Collection and Documentation. And special thanks to my exhibition display team. Sri Jarifuddin Khanji, I hope he is here inside. He has not taken a single leave since, I think 20 days. So please give a big round of applause to him. I would like to request Renuka to give a flower to Jarifuddin ji and also a planter. He deserves. I would also like to thank Hemant, Krishna, Rajaram and Pranay, Amay, Sachi, Akshay, Nikhil, Payal, Renuka, Mithun for all their support, and also to the team from JJ School of Art. So they really deserve, for all their work. We can see the exhibition just being put up in just few days. It was 2 to 3 days when Ramayana came to us. It was exactly 4th of June when we opened it. So thanks to all of them. Now I won't take much time, and I would just like to thank, Ms. Daksha ji for such a single day. She told, no Shruti, I will be with you, and also to Renu ji, who is the director ICCR. Because, our culture can't be complete without music and dance. So it's time for a little bit of entertainment. And I would like to invite Ms. Daksha Marshuwala ji and a team to perform their performance based on the theme of Ramayana. Ms. Daksha ji started her first years of training in the art form of Bharatnatyam under Srimati Mrinalini Sarabhai at Darpana during her childhood and teenage years. These years laid the foundation for a lifetime of greater understanding of aesthetics and form as she delved deeper into classical dance. In her early 30s, Daksha made her first acquaintance with the sculpturesque and sensuous dance form of Odisha. She continued her journey. Yes. I would request the guests to be seated with the audience. She continued her journey under the distinguished maestro late Sri Padma Bhushan Kelu Charan Mahapatra, having had intense training and guidance from Kelu Babu since 1988. She has devoted herself to the intricacies of Odissi ever since, promoting awareness and love for Odissi dance and music through various venues have been the main focus of Daksha ji's life over the last 2 decades. Her institution, Kasiki, has nurtured and encouraged several talented young dancers, some of whom have now matured into professional solo artists. An exponent, teacher, and choreographer, Daksha has regaled audiences in India and abroad with performances, workshops, and lecture demonstrations. A few recent choreographies by Daksha include Crossing Oceans, Arcs, Gopi Geet, Navrasha, Ladli, and Rukmini Haran. A top grade artist of Doordarshan, she has been bestowed with some very prestigious awards, namely Uday Shankar Choreography Award, Girnar Award from Brihad Mumbai Gujarati Samaj, and Nalanda Kanam Nartana Purushkar from Nalanda Institute, Mumbai. Thank you, Ms. Daksha ji and your team for joining us on this occasion.
Namaskar. A very good evening to the art patrons, artists, and art lovers. It's been a great pleasure, although she said in a day's notice, to come and join in this beautiful event, the inauguration of the Chitrakavya in Ramayana and the Shakti, and to include our Drishya Kavya. So I am very thankful to bringing the dance element to this beautiful exhibition that has been inaugurated. We will begin with the invocation to Lord Rama, a shloka taken from Tulsidasa's Ramcharitmanas, describing his blue body, comparing it with the color of the neck of the peacock and the blue sky, his lotus eyes and the yellow robes, and his unparalleled skill with the bow and arrow. Sri Rama riding the Pushpakarat with his beloved Sita and his beautiful, wonderful devotee, the monkey god Hanuman. So this shloka describes these attributes of the Sarvagun Sampurna Purush Sri Rama. Choreography by my Guruji, Guru Kalicharan Mahapatra. Thank you. I'd like to mention that I'm accompanied in dance with my very talented senior disciple, Siddhi Vaikar.
Sarasija
The next piece that I wish to depict today is again a piece from the Gita Govind written in the 12th century by the saint poet Jayadev. I have chosen one piece that brings out Radha as an Abhisarika Naika. As we know, every human being has to go through many obstacles to attain what one wishes, and that is what the Abhisarika Naika in this piece, in this Ashtapadi, describes Radha as wanting to meet her beloved in the quiet of the night. And she waits for him, thinking about him, and she sees her friend come, and she tells her, "Oh dear friend, please get the killer of the demon Madhu to me, and he who I have spent several nights, I've stealthily gotten out of my house in the quiet night with my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law sleeping in the house, and I've overcome many obstacles like seeing a snake in the forest and thorns pricking me and several others like the dark night. So having overcome these obstacles, I've just taken this little short piece from the Ashtapadi. So friends, this is again celebrating the women, the Shakti, the power, the strength to overcome obstacles. Thank you.
Thank you, Daksha ji. Okay. I would just request the audience to be with us. We will do the one more piece. Yeah, the last one. On Shakti.
I'm concluding with an ode to Shakti, and the best symbol of Shakti is Durga. So we pay homage to the male perfect Purush and the symbol of Shakti, whose energy lies within all of us. A shloka as an ode to Durga.
जयन्ति मङ्गलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा श्वेताङ्घ्रियुगे देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी 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 सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी
Thank you, Ms. Daksha ji and your team for such a captivating performance. Please put your hands together for this fascinating and wonderful performance. I would like to request Director General to come on stage and felicitate the artist. And directors are also. Thank you, ma'am, for such a beautiful performance. And we would also like to give her some token of, icons because she did performance on Sakti. It's like. Thank you, ma'am. Now we will. Like this exhibition is formally open for the public, we will go downstairs for the opening and of the exhibition, which will remain open for public from 8th June till 7th of August 2024. We will be having an array of interesting outreach activities comprising daily walkthrough twice a day, talks, lectures, workshops, both for adult and children, and many more activities with the artists who were involved in Sakti exhibition and others also. And this program ends here, and you all are requested to join us for the gallery walk, and also there is some refreshment for all of you. Please join us. Thank you for being with us and your patience. Thank you. Shubharatri. there.